Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make orange tiramisu. We are going to create a truly delightful dessert that combines the classic richness of tiramisu with a bright, zesty orange flavor. This guide will walk you through each step, from preparing the aromatic orange syrup to crafting the velvety mascarpone cream and assembling your masterpiece. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this unique treat. First, let's create our aromatic orange syrup. You will need the juice of 2 large oranges, the zest of 1 orange, and about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Simmer these ingredients gently until the sugar dissolves and the syrup slightly thickens. Once cooled, quickly dip each of your 24 ladyfingers into this fragrant syrup. Be careful not to oversoak them. A quick dip on each side is perfect to keep them from becoming soggy. Next, we will craft the luscious mascarpone cream. In a large bowl, combine 1 pound of creamy mascarpone cheese with 1/2 cup of powdered sugar until smooth. In a separate bowl, whip 2 cups of heavy cream until soft peaks form, then gently fold it into the mascarpone mixture. Finally, stir in the zest of 1 orange and 2 tablespoons of orange liqueur to infuse that wonderful citrus essence. Now for the exciting assembly. Begin by arranging a single layer of your syrup-soaked ladyfingers in the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch serving dish. Next, spread half of your delightful mascarpone cream evenly over the ladyfingers. Repeat these layers, ensuring you finish with a generous top layer of the creamy mascarpone. Cover your tiramisu and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.